Master your Galaxy S3 at phonesavvy.com. To change the ringtone for incoming calls on your Galaxy S3, select the menu button located at the bottom left corner of your device, and then select Settings. Now select Sound, and select Device Ringtone located here. This will bring up a list of ringtone options for your device. Every time you select a new ringtone, it will preview that ringtone for you. When you find the ringtone you want, select OK while it is previewing, and that will be your new ringtone. Visit phonesavvy.com to see more video walkthroughs on the Galaxy S3.